Check out this snowstorm. It is crazy. It's just like completely like all in the air. I've never seen it snow like this. It's just like a constant wall of blustery, blizzardy snow. Usually it like falls, but this is just like blows all over the place. Look at that. It's just like moving wind, snow wind or something. Here's Sasha. Sasha. This is our adopted dog for the holidays. Enjoying the neighbor's yard. She really seems to like the snow. Whoa! Brrr! Ooh. Wow! Look at this. This is crazy. There's a while in the backyard where snow was flying upward. Whoa! It's like the Weather Channel, man. It's hard to tell on the video how thick it is. Jeez. Ah! What? Come on, Sasha. Let's go back inside. Come on, Sasha. Well, you can hang out outside for a little while if you want, but okay. I think I'm. All right. I'm going back in.